Hello. Good afternoon, Los Sapos Shoppers. I'm speaking. How can I help you?
Yeah, I called last night about a incident about somebody cutting holes in my bag.
In your bag?
Yeah, they were purposely cutting holes in my bag so that my groceries would fall out when I take them to my car. It's a guy named Felipe, a bagger.
Hold on one moment. I have
Because
to transfer you to a manager. I'm not a manager. There's nothing I can do. I have to
yeah,
transfer
what's
you to a
your
manager.
name? What's your name?
My name is Rosie.
Because
Hold
I'm
on,
tired
hold
of this. Because this has been an ongoing prank.
Okay, hold on one moment. Good afternoon, Maria speaking. How can I help you?
Who are you?
I'm Maria.
Maria. All right. Now, I'd like to address this problem that I've been having. It's this guy, Felipe, he's cutting holes in my bags every single day. So all my groceries fall out before I go to my car.
He's cutting holes in your bag?
Yes. I called last night to address this problem, and apparently nobody's doing anything about it.
I'm a little confused. Felipe is the one who does the maintenance. He's not a bagger. Is it someone else, maybe?
No, I seen his name tag. His name is Felipe, and I know he's cutting holes in my bag. You know what? Yesterday I went there and I bought 5 cans of Campbell's soup.
Okay.
And then when I walked to my car, there's holes in the bag. All my soup fell to the ground, and 2 birds flew down and grabbed my soup.
Oh, wow.
They took my soup.
And the soup's in the cans?
No, it's in a can. What are you talking about?
If the soup is in the can, how does a bird fly down? I'm confused.
Well, I'm confused too. How is Felipe doing this? What is he, manipulating
was Felipe
birds?
anywhere near your bags?
Is he near my bags? He's bagging them. What are you talking about?
Oh, see, Felipe is normally a maintenance person. He's not usually on the front, but I will have a conversation with him.
Well, you know what?
If he's doing
Maybe
that.
he's manipulating you and the birds in the stores. Because there's birds coming down and swooping down and taking my cans of soup because of this guy, and he's cutting holes in my bag. I want a one-on-one with this guy next time I come to buy some soup.
I'll have a conversation with him, and I will bring it to the manager's attention. Because if he's cutting bags, he shouldn't be doing that at all.
Well, he shouldn't be cutting holes in bags and telling birds to come steal my soup. And I'm very upset with that motherfucker.
I don't think he's telling birds to come and get your soup.
Well, there's birds coming and stealing my cans. They're picking them up with their claws.
But I don't think Philip is saying anything to the birds. Birds don't understand English.
How do you know that this guy doesn't know how to talk to birds? I'm offended now.
I will have a conversation with him about the holes in the bags.
Well, what about the birds?
Well, I can't control the birds. The only thing we can do is keep the outside clean. That's it. Because they only come for food. They can't open a can.
Well, they're opening my cans and they're stealing them.
Well, I'll start with the first issue and we'll go from there.
Well, I don't understand the first issue. I want to get some retribution for my cans that are stolen from the birds.
How many cans did the birds steal?
There were 3 cans and 2 birds, and I don't know how it was possible, but they took them.
And this happened last night?
At 10:55.
At 10:55. And it was at 11:24.
And you know what, Felipe? He's the big problem, because I think he's controlling them birds. He's telling them what to do.
I will have a conversation with him, okay?
Do you know what kind of birds they are? Because they're not pigeons.
Seagulls?
No, they're not. They're not seagulls. Seagulls can't be controlled.